Who's this Mr. Pregnant guy? You know what I mean?
Yeah, the all-encompassing Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor for full of it. That was like my online sobriquet on YouTube back in the days, right? So that was like my online viral name, Mr. Pregnant. Mr. Pregnant is supposedly a metaphor for full of it.
Yeah.
What is the relationship? There's a level of arbitrariness between the word and what the word defines of the object, right? We can remove the word cup and we could replace cup with spoon.
Pervasive in comedy with Mitch Hedberg. Where I like to throw out Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's so realistic. Force